Dash from Trophy Developers, 6 years on the road designing websites, mobile applications with digital marketing. User experience means making every visitor feel like your website was built just for them. During this video, we will focus on the About Us page, one detail page that you really want to put on your website, and also link from your navigation menu is the About Us page. No other page does more of establishing visitors' trust in what you offer. In fact, the About Us page might as well be called the Can I Trust You page, because your online visitors may never meet you in person. They need a way of knowing more about you so they can be sure you are okay to do business with, or that the information you're providing is accurate. Think about what that means for your site. Your About Us page is the best location to provide the details that will help someone to trust you. Like all the other detail pages on your site, the content here should be trustful and open. If you have a physical location, tell people the address, include a professional looking image of the building or even the interior of your location, if that makes sense. If you don't have a public facing location, use photos that show your facilities, production line, or the outcome of the work you do. Say who you are including, contact details. At a minimum, link a contact us form. But it's much better to provide an email address and a phone number. If you're providing a service, say what hours you're available, either your store hours or your phone hours, and say what time zone you're in. Give visitors some history, how long you've been in business, your experience on what makes you good at what you do. If you provide a service, mention some clients, mention your business size, and some other facts. If you are a small business, show profiles of key staff members. You may also want to provide links to your policies. What work do you do in the community? Frequently ask questions, and other content will help people understand if you are a good match for their needs. It might seem strange that I'm calling out this one particular page, but About Us content can make or break your relationship with your visitors. In studies we've run, participants look for whatever proof they can find that the website you're on is trustworthy. The About Us page is one big chance to make a good impression. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website at trophydevelopers.com and subscribe.